Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about downloading your entire Snapchat history as a backup or archive. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon and select where it says Account Settings on the drop-down menu. Select My Data, and then on the right side here, it says select data to include. Select whatever data you want to include in the download process here. You would select next. You would select a date range and then the email that you want to have the data sent to. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.